Charlotte watched the King's Cross to Hammersmith Bridge video and suggested I take a look at Hornsey Lane Bridge, or Suicide Bridge as it's locally known, due to the amount of people jumping to their death from it. I suggested she take a look at it.
I used to live on Highgate Slopes. Alright, Archway. Alright, just off Holloway Road.
You need to have lived in London to understand the locational nuances in that little interchange.
Anyway, it coming into view while southbound on the A1 meant I was nearly home, the skyline ever changing as you approach the downward hill towards Alexander Binney's creation, a continuously expanding metropolis as its backdrop. From atop this bridge, I watched the Shard emerge, eventually dwarfing St Paul's Cathedral. But the cathedral's London protected view status meant the vista of my favourite building since I was 10 years old remains unspoilt. This impressive entrance into our capital at night, driving over or under the bridge, never ceased to impress me, the thousands of lights and skyscrapers drawing me in. There is something about the bridge that gives me a sense of belonging, like it could tell 1,000 stories, including mine. I have a picture of it on the wall in my house taken in the early 1900s. It's a reminder that even though I don't live in London anymore, it will always be there to take me back when I want to visit my home of 20 years.